I got my true HEPA air purifier by Levoit, I think that's what it's called. Let's see how this works. There we go. Got instructions. Filter. Oh. Here's the machine. It's going to take me a little bit. So, looks like this is how you open and close it on the bottom. So I do have to open this immediately because here's our filter. And that's basically a fan. And here's the filter. And I'll just install this again. So, with the power, it's pretty quiet. And it's got a timer down here. I guess this is for filter change. This is just touch button control. Come on. Oh, that's how you do it. Well, I'm going to let this run. I want this room to be cleaned up. So I've got the new air cleaner, which works really good. And I've been running it all day. And then I got this printer today because ink cartridges are kind of expensive, and it was almost practical just to buy this because the printer I had is really old. And that was only $100. But I finally got it to print some color, and that'll work for t-shirts for a little while until it all goes wonky like printers do, you know, and go from there. I gotta organize everything.